Hi there and welcome to the art studio. Today I'm going to draw a cat. A cat is by no means easy to draw, but keep watching to the end of this video so you can pick up all the tips and learn to draw a cat. I use only one pencil for this drawing, namely a Staedtler HB. This is a standard pencil that everyone has at home, I think. By only using one pencil, I want to show you that you don't have to invest a lot of money in a whole set of pencils with different types of hardness. In the first phase of the drawing, I try to catch the main shapes of the cat. Be especially careful to use very soft lines in this phase. That way you almost never have to use an eraser later on the process. Be sure to keep an eye on the symmetry of the face. Everything stands or falls with symmetry with a portrait. With an artistic drawing, it's important not to draw everything in detail. So you can focus on certain elements in the drawing that you can work out more, and some parts you just leave sketchy. I'm a painter myself, but find the importance of drawing extremely important. Without a good knowledge of drawing, painting will of course be a lot more difficult. You draw the cat's fur with short strokes, so you can create a realistic representation of the fur. Look carefully at your cat. Best practice is that you have a cat around you, otherwise you can use a photo as a reference material. You can draw areas that should be darker by applying more pressure to the pencil. Parts that must remain lightly, you just simply leave them empty. If you like this video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want more of these kind of videos. Okay, back to the drawing. Take a good look in which direction the hairs of the fur go. Also follow this direction with your pencil to create a realistic representation. With a portrait like this, the trick is to stop in time. The temptation remains to keep drawing. This way you can lose the intentional artistic portrait. For example, I prefer to leave the ears sketchy so that the focus is more on the eyes of the cat. In the last phase, I put some shadow here and there, and then I think the portrait is about finished. Et voila, this is the result. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'd love to see you again in another video. Take care.